today, Truck Nation. We're going to be today we're going to be doing Kobe's taillight. Broke one of his taillights, so he's upgrading it to the one like my truck. So he brought his pickup over. Lots of cars to move now. So all the babies in the driveway, plus my wife's. So we gotta do the shuffle. Right back at you. Mr. Kobe here waiting patiently to get his ride done. There's the two bad boys. I'm gonna drive my wife's car in. Yeah, it's to come, folks.
Oh,
Gotta do some
my headlights.
You did?
Yep, now they're white.
Oh, same here.
Yeah?
I changed mine to LEDs.
I think they're on.
Yeah. No, not yet.
You don't know?
No.
No?
Not yet. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Where'd you get those from?
Oh, Amazon.
Amazon,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazon.
How much are those ones?
$50.
50 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I did LEDs.
Yeah.
I just changed mine just the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah. 19 bucks.
Wait, what?
And they have a chip.
What?
Yeah.
Where? What?
They're bright just like that too.
Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon, man.
Was it on sale?
No.
What the heck? Maybe there's different years?
Huh?
Maybe they're different years?
No, actually it's supposed to be for everything. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta take this off.
Yeah. It's easy.
Yeah.
I realized the clips are broken inside. I'm surprised it's holding on.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
The new ones come with clips. Yeah. You got the tool or you need my...
I need a tool, yeah.
Okay. See, guy came, no tools.
All my
And he's a mechanic. You go figure. You go figure, people. Get my tools. Excuse the mess. This all have to just upgraded stuff, so we gotta throw all this stuff out. Someone's gonna take that fridge overnight.
Yeah.
Still working.
Yeah, it still works.
Yeah.
It just looks bad.
Yeah. The only thing
I got some leaves in there.
I find is so these, I find it's weird. They got all this stuff LED, but still they put the
Yeah.
regular thing.
Makes no sense.
Yeah. So right here, you know what that is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to?
Let you
Yeah.
put that up. Mr. Mechanic here.
Mr. Mechanic.
Lift out the tools. just putting that out there.
I'm a toolless mechanic. That's
Yeah, that's it. Oh man. So she handling good everything?
Hell
You
yeah.
got a dent.
Yeah, I know. You know what happened?
No.
Went to a meet and we had to leave real quick. Someone jumped on the back.
Oh, that's the guy that jumped on the
Yeah.
back of your truck? That's crazy.
Yeah, he jumped on the back.
You make him pay for it, but you didn't know.
He gave me $50.
50.
Yeah, that's it.
You know how much one of these dudes?
I was like, you know what, whatever.
Dude.
I know. It's all right. It already has a hole in it.
Yeah. So when the cops came, you guys jumped?
Yep.
He just booked on top.
He jumped on top. He's like, go, go, go. I'm like, okay.
How the hell did he jump up here?
He jumped up here and laid across.
It's crazy.
And I was like, oh, he's lucky he didn't fly off.
Yeah. He's lucky he didn't fall.
Yeah.
Won't be your fault.
I know. I was going pretty fast too.
It was going pretty fast.
I was like, he's still there? Wow.
That's funny.
I didn't even notice this until I got home. He's like, sorry, man. And he gives me $50. I was like, okay, $50.
Because he just bought that one and he was like,
Yeah. I might get that.
yeah, that's a good deal. I had that in my cart from December.
December? Nice.
It's like $250. Usually they're more money.
Yeah?
Yeah. The original one, that one here, this one, that's the old one. That's like 400 and something.
Jeez.
But that's, I guess, when the truck first came
Yeah,
out.
when the first came on there.
Yeah.
Okay, let me turn off the tail light.
Yeah. Yeah, got busted pretty good.
Yep.
You gotta put some
Yeah.
So you hit the tree before you were doing burnouts or after?
After, when I was going home.
That's funny. But yeah, that's how they. And they don't sweat or nothing.
No.
No. And what happens is here, I can see why there's a shortage. Like the LED lights up,
Yeah.
and then the inside.
The inside lights up itself.
Yeah, the inside is the one that indicates, but the outside. Yeah, it's pretty good. Got my thing. Get this thing done. Okay. And you see this? I just ordered this and changed it up.
Oh, that's nice.
13 bucks.
13 bucks?
Amazon. Look at this.
Give me that.
Matches my vehicle.
There you go.
Yeah.
Man, when you
See?
upgrade, it's going to be so different because you
Yeah.
have to start over again.
I know.
Ooh, that's nice.
Look at that. This is that.
That looks
Nice.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's nice.
It's nice. And all the lights are LED now. Like I said, so full the fog lights, headlights, and them, and then it's bright.
I'm getting fog lights. They're coming in now.
Yeah.
And
How much did you buy? Pay?
$12.
Okay.
I didn't.
I just gonna say, dude. See, well, here.
Yeah.
That's the tricky thing about those ones. If you hook it up wrong, when you indicate, everything stays on. I just indicate,
It just indicates.
and then the light, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But this is similar to just like the new ones. Because the new ones, this is just illuminated.
Yeah.
And when you indicate on the inside, supposed to indicate, and then you got the two side ones on. Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah. But they don't plug. They say plug and play, but they don't plug in.
No. Yeah. Mine is completely different.
Yeah. Same here.
Yeah.
Oh, yours is different.
Yeah, it's way different.
Yeah.
Like my look. So this is.
Holy crap!
So look.
You got more than mine.
Look.
Yeah.
So this is. It works on this.
Yeah.
Right. That's that.
Mhm.
The headlight is the light.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stupid.
That's all LED. That's so.
And then you got the bulb obviously at the bottom.
But the one that this comes with is something flat.
Yeah. It's this is supposed to go into like the bulb socket
Yeah.
and all that
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. So
Hmm.
I called the company. You have any bulb sockets? Nope.
Yeah. Huh. This is. Yeah, this is just like mine.
Yeah.
But mine only had to do the adaptation. It had the actual 3 wires here. Right? How much wires do you have?
I have 6, I think.
Oh my god.
I don't know why you need 6.
Easy, because they're on LED. It probably has it run to a decoder or something.
Don't worry, I can get rid of the code.
Yeah. You can get rid of the code.
Yeah, it's called
I know.
electrical tape.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta cut this open now. Okay, right there.
Yeah.
Alright, straight down there. Time for my baby. I just got gas for 68 cents.
Yeah. Oh wait, 68? I got
Yeah.
one for 72. Coronavirus for 2020.
Yeah, true. Really? Yeah. Let's pull up. Play with a few of those wires.
Yeah, I know, right?
I wonder if just because it has the backup lights included in that harness.
Maybe.
That's probably why.
That's probably it, yeah.
Yeah, because this one it connects everything together. Oh no, you have a separate harness here. Where is your harness for what?
Yeah, I know, right? It freaked me out too.
Oh.
Dodge is weird.
Yeah, they changed it up, man. Because for my year,
Yeah.
is there a light behind us?
Huh? There's nothing behind this. This plugs straight into here, and that's it.
Huh.
And then this is the signal, and that's just for the rest of the light.
Yeah, so because you need this off, right?
Mm-hmm. If there are mechanics watching me cut this thing, they're gonna complain that it's taking too long to cut it.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, these ones, they really did it differently.
Yeah.
So the light, they have the green, which is obviously the green is the ground, red power, white is the return.
Make sure that you can't get through this.
Yeah, it's pretty tough. Yeah. So what colors are in there?
Oh, you got white. What? You got white with like a brown stripe. You got white with a red stripe.
Mm-hmm. I just think this is the power.
Yeah.
They could get peel back a little further.
Yeah, a little further. They have like a ready for
And
some work.
You gotta. No problem. Can this come out though? Like the base of this?
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can come out. Yeah.
Okay.
I can take the full thing out.
Oh, the whole. Okay.
Yeah, like the harness comes out. You can take the harness.
Oh, okay, you can take the harness off. Yeah, because you need the backup light, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, why you gotta see where it connects to? They didn't make it easy on this one, man.
No, because I took it apart and I was so upset because I was like, are you
that's
kidding
what
me?
I was saying.
This is the second pair of taillights I ordered.
It's so easy on that ear, man. So easy. Because everything is right there. Everything is right there, man. Damn. This is not cool.
They don't like me.
Yeah. I'll never could figure out this. You gotta do these ones first.
Anybody out there
Eliminate.
looking to trade?
I know, right?
Looking for a demon?
Demon. You gotta eliminate the lights, the headlights, and then work on the reverse ones.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you got a black wire. Okay, white with gray, white with brown. A white wire and then a white with red, I think.
so we gotta splice into those.
Yeah, I think so. Oh no, there's two white wires. What the heck? White, gray. Two white grays.
Mm-hmm.
One white with red.
Is there any blacks?
Yeah, there's one black.
Yeah,
that's the gray.
we know definitely the black is black, but you say which one's a
white with red right there.
Then
you got these ones right here. There's a light gray and a dark gray. Jesus. And then you got a white one.
Bastards.
I know. They could have just made it red or green or yellow.
Gotta be a reason why the stripes are on. To figure that out. But this one has the right polarity here.
Yeah, that has the right one.
Yeah.
Which is blue and all that.
Yeah,
stuff.
you could trace from this. But when you go into the harness, they did their own stuff.
Mm-hmm. They said whatever. No one's gonna go into the harness.
Yeah. No one's gonna be
stupid enough to go
change their lights. That's why white people don't change their lights.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can figure it out.
We can figure it out. Okay, cutting here now. Let's figure. Okay, folks, we gotta go. We gotta go black Iver on this one. Apparently, the bulb. The problem with these lights, well, on this year, what year is yours again?
14.
The 14s.
Yeah.
The light bulbs has changed from my year, so it's pretty big. So we gotta kind of widen this, right? Hopefully something minor. You still have the space inside.
Yeah.
Do we? Yeah.
Yeah, we have the space inside.
Yeah, the space is inside, but it's just, gotta get that. I'll just say go black Iver on it. Widen it a little.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Say proof that I didn't do it, so I can get blamed. And also, if you figured out the wiring pattern, I'll be able to show you guys if you need to
ever do it.
Yeah, patch it up yourself. But it's not a direct fit like how the manufacturer said.
No.
Like they really
lied.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Yeah. It's a good light though. Good deal on Amazon.
Oh, yeah.
Leave the price of them in the description for you. It's a very good buy. That's probably why they're out of stock
Yeah.
so often on them. So, how long you had to wait for yours?
It came right away.
Right away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they said one left, and I got the last.
Oh, you got the last
before
one.
they went out of stock.
Yeah. It's a pretty good light. Show you the finished product when we're done.
Yeah.
This is the other one. We know exactly what to do. Let me take it out. Yeah. I actually chucked mine in the garbage. I'm
Yeah?
out of these. You can probably keep that one over there,
Yeah,
stock, and you can sell it.
Yeah.
Like, you know, if someone needs
Yep.
one.
Someone did the same thing I did.
On that side, you can buy it from you instead of getting the dealership overpriced.
Charging Dodge prices.
Yeah, exactly, right? Charge for the inconvenience.
Yep.
One side. Is anything happening though?
Yeah, it's going a little
Is
bit.
there a little?
Yeah. Do you have like something different? Like a different?
No, I don't have a foil.
No.
But that would work.
Yeah, the foil. Is there a Canadian Tire nearby?
I don't know.
Even a drill or something?
I have a drill,
You have a drill?
but you don't want to damage nothing inside the light either. So,
I just
well,
want
I'll
to
give you a
round
drill.
it off.
Yeah. I just said it's not me that's doing it; it's him. So if it's damaged, it's not me. It's this guy right there, the owner.
I'm not the owner anymore.
See if we don't go too far inside.
I know, right?
Wanna try that one?
Yeah.
Things we do to make sure they fit. It's like, I'm not returning it.
No.
Gotta fit.
It's gotta fit now.
Okay. Almost there?
Almost, yeah. Almost there.
Almost there.
I'm gonna make it a tight fit.
Okay. Yeah, so if it breaks.
If it breaks. Yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna return it like this.
Exactly, right? It's nice and fit now, nice and tight.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Perfect fit.
See, folks, you can do it at home.
Yeah.
Nice and straight in there.
Hell yeah.
Good to go.
Yes.
Just gotta spray that stuff.
Look at that. Pull on it.
Yeah.
Not gonna do too hard.
Yeah. Okay, now we gotta put these wires together.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, this finished product, people. Don't look at the spot
No,
that guy. Don't look at the spot
be
that
gone
guy
in a
took
few
it out. Yeah, you got, cause that little thing will rust right through, man. It'll keep going.
Getting the Dodge rust.
Yeah.
And the front panel.
The what?
The front panel. I'm getting the Dodge rust at the front.
Yeah?
You know how like it bubbles in there?
Yeah. Like my truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found the place, and he's gonna do it for $1,000. The whole side, everything.
Where?
Yeah, in Toronto,
Toronto?
I did a delivery to his place. I walked in and see all these Jeeps, and I'm like, what?
Yeah.
And he's like, and I had my truck with me. He's like, oh, I love that truck. I'm a real Dodge man, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And then I looked to his shop, and it's old Italian guy. He's been doing it for 25 years.
All right. When you take yours,
And
let me know. I'll bring mine
yeah.
too.
So I showed him the, where it's bubbling and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Mine.
He's going to do, because I did the other side, Dodge.
Yeah.
And That one, I went to Dodge, the same thing. The one like close to $2,000, just for that corner.
Just for that corner?
Yeah.
No Dodge.
Yeah.
Dodge,
Just for $2,000. I went to the guy $1,000 all in cash, no taxes.
Dodge, you gotta lower down the prices, man.
Yeah. Everybody gotta live, man.
I know. It's coronavirus, man. I can't.
I know, right? You gotta live, bro. Yeah. Yeah. These lights really go with the wheels.
Yeah.
Like completes the look. And you always wanted the, as me and your mom was discussing, you always wanted the tint.
Yep.
So now you have it legally.
Yes. I have it legally now. I was gonna do it illegally.
You didn't hear that, folks.
No, I mean I was going. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Nice Amazon buy, man.
Yes, I recommend it.
Yeah.
100%.
Really nice lights. They're
You need
really
someone to
bright.
drill it? Call me up. I'll drill it.
They're really good. You guys see it's done now?
Yeah.
Okay, peel off. Let's see that reveal, man. What?
Insert pimp my ride.
That
music.
is sick. That is nice. Gotta do the other one now. That's a nice look. Trying to keep the rust out of the cut.
Just leaving it on my truck.
Yeah, I know. That is nice. Okay, let's get to. Yeah, so we just about done with these lights.
Yeah.
I really like the look of them.
It's not going anywhere.
It's in there?
Yep.
Okay. Close her up.
Oh, I got these. Look at these.
Take that peel off. See how it looks.
Bam.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Light her up. Let's see how that looks, man. That's nice.
That is nice.
See, it really matches everything now. Yeah. Much better than the original.
Yeah. Much better.
You see?
Much better.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. Yeah. It's your bad boy. Just gotta get the LEDs in there now.
Yeah, in there. I just ordered them.
Yeah.
They're coming.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice. You got the bright ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Finished product, folks. Look at that. It just goes good with the rims. Let's give it that mean look.
Yeah.
Let's shut the lights off for a sec. Let's see how it looks too. I just like that tinted look, you know, like naturally, and you still got the, you know. Look at that.
Hey, let me
Just
turn
a-
the reverse so you can see.
Yeah. That's so sick, man. Yeah, reverse lights still work. Although we had to go, you know, it's good. Still works. Although we had to do some little, little work there.
Yep.
They're good, man. I love it.
Looks nice.
I like that smoke look.
Yeah, I gotta
It's
blow
really
them
good.
out though.
Yeah?
I gotta blow
Yeah, I
them out.
know. Yeah.
If anyone is fabricating, make sure to blow them out after.
You can't see it though.
Yeah, you can't see no.
No, you can't see nothing. It just looks regular.
Yeah,
And even the close-up look.
yeah.
Look at these things.
So nice.
That is nice. Look at the front of the side. Even looking at it.
Dang.
That's nice. Yeah. Can't beat it. Amazon, folks.
Yep.
I'll give you the info.
Yeah, put it in the description.
Yeah, in the description, we'll put the info for you.
Yeah.
Well, that completes our video.
Yeah.
Light installation, you have to like modify it just a little. Just a little. It's not too bad.
No.
But you know, as you can see, the outcome is great. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Truck Nation, and we're out.